Do you have any suggestions on how we can make team collaboration a better two-way communication experience?
I do. First, use icebreakers that force members to introduce themselves. Members can become familiar and comfortable with each other by doing this. Make sure to include your remote team in this. My second tip is to participate in group brainstorming. You'll be able to see how each member thinks and begin to understand everyone's thought process. Next, try role playing.
How would role playing help our team?
You can practice situations before they come up in real life. By doing this, everyone will know how to react and what to expect should these situations appear. Next is feedback. Team members should want to give and receive feedback. This will help each individual improve. But make sure it's not completely negative. Each team member should share both constructive criticism and positive feedback. My final tip is to leave time for questions. It could be as little as 5 to 10 minutes at the end of a meeting. Team members should be given a chance to ask any questions they have and get the answers.